Hi, welcome to NkitchN. Today, I'm gonna show you a popular Indian street food recipe, Pav Bhaji. Let's get into the recipe. Add veggies of your choice to pressure cooker. Here I am adding diced potatoes, capsicum, carrots, French beans, and cauliflower. Add water as required and some salt. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 4 whistles on medium to high heat. Turn off the stove and wait until all the pressure is released. Reserve the excess water and with the help of masher, mash the veggies into a paste. Let's make bhaji. For that, add butter and oil to pan. Once the butter is melted, add finely chopped onions and sauté it until they turn translucent. Add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and sauté it. Add tomato puree and cook it well for 5 to 10 minutes. Now add the mashed vegetables. Mix it well, cook it for 5 minutes. Let's add the dry ingredients, chili powder, Pav Bhaji masala and some salt. Mix it well. Check the consistency of bhaji. If you think the bhaji is too thick, add the reserved vegetable water and adjust the consistency. Turn off the stove, add 1 lime juice and fresh coriander. Bhaji is ready. To a pan, add butter. Once the butter is melted, add pav. Cook well on both sides. Pav Bhaji is ready. Serve it hot. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more homemade recipes.